What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's freaking pouring. I am soaking wet, as you guys can see. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. We're all soaking wet. There's big puddles everywhere. We're just like, my camera's getting wet, so I don't know if you guys can see me or not. She got so, We'll be back in a little bit because my camera's getting wet.
12 seconds later.
Hot chocolate.
No, I'm not gonna drink any.
Oh, hot chocolate.
I'm brushing that shit.
I'm throwing shit.
Why?
You guys might see this blurry, or I don't know if you guys can hear me, but oof, we got chocolate. Thanks to her. I mean, that's a guy, but like, her. Look. It tastes bomb as fuck. Yes, I stole all the marshmallows, but still. Oh yeah, my shoes are wet, so they're drying. My socks are right here. Let's taste it. Bag's off, but let's try it. The marshmallows sucked all the water, so there's nothing there. Like literally. Oh, I feel it. We don't. We took the whole bag and we just dumped it in here and in his and like some people over there.
You burnt yourself?
You're
now?
right.
Yeah, I know I was right. You burnt yourself.
I almost like.
It's hot, dude. Fire. I think I burned my tongue. It feels like it.
Wait. I'm eating a cup out. You saw that white stuff come out? Literally, look.
Dude, I'm not even drinking. I'm just like sucking it in just that way it gets cold.
Oof.
Breathe into your hand, but feel how hot your breath is.
Oh my god.
There's one outside.
Marshmallows. Ooh. Feels good. I'm not gonna get sick no more, which is a good thing. Oh yeah, I showed you guys my socks. Get your merch. I'm just kidding.
Okay, this is one.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go get more marshmallows.
Oh,
They're all looking at me.
it burned my throat.
Looking. It's like halfway filled with marshmallows, half chocolate. It's like, boom.
You're not gonna
It's like
finish
so
your
good.
marshmallows.
Yeah.
Bet.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the store, buy chocolate, and do this shit at home. That'd be the. Let's do it again.
No, fuck you.
Alright, so we still have 3 cups. Everybody got one? Everybody
Yeah.
wanted some? Got some? Yes?
Yeah. It tastes bomb. Like, look at it. Even fixed my lips. Like they're red now. Like, oof.
They burn.
They burn. Okay, they burn.
They burn. Like by the end of this, we're not gonna have any lips.
Yeah, we'll be right back in a little bit. I'm on my 4th one or 5th. I guess this is gonna be all for today's video. Yes, I'm eating a cookie. Let me finish this while I enjoy it. Or, I don't know. It tastes good. Just letting you guys know. I have my microphone now. So everything works now. Literally, my camera stopped recording because like it got storage full. So I was like, oh, are you serious? I was talking by myself for like 5-10 minutes. Instead I go home, get the other camera, then come back here. Anyways, guys, my scooter / motorcycle, whatever you're gonna call it, every time I fix something, something else happens. So you know how I fixed the kickstand, or bought a new one, I guess, or I don't know. Yeah, I bought a new one because it broke. Oh shit! I don't even know if you guys can see me or not, but like it broke. So what I had to do was put a new one on. Then now this is happening. Every time I throttle it like this much, and it works perfectly fine. It doesn't go as fast as it used to, but it works fine. Like I could go whatever I want. But as soon as I like throttle it, like whole throttle, it's like the clutch isn't working correctly. It's like if I put it in, you know, like when the car is in park or in neutral, or if you have a stick shift, it's in neutral, and you rev it, but it doesn't go. That's what this thing's doing. I'll probably show you guys in a little bit, because it does that sometimes and then it doesn't. And then yesterday it started doing this constantly. I was like, why? And it was raining too, so I was like, why on a rainy day? Like, come on now. I could have been having so much fun going through puddles, but no. And if my girlfriend's watching this, she's gonna get mad because I didn't let her jump in puddles, even though she did it without me seeing. Like, okay, once I caught her, and yeah, it's like I'm not complaining, because I like people that are childish. But anyways, you guys probably heard my phone ring, or ding. But, I want to break from YouTube, honestly. I don't even know. Probably not, because like I want to keep continuing videos. We're almost hitting 70 subscribers. Not 70,000, not 70 million, 70. Just pure 70. Which is good. I do care. But like, I do this video for you guys. Videos. We're on our 48th video. This, what you're watching right here, is our 48th video, which is a good thing. But anyways, guys, I've been going through problems. Something happened yesterday. I'm not going to say anything because this is not about my life. This is about to make you guys entertained and not sad or have anxiety or depression or anything like that. But still, I love you guys so much. Thank you, you guys. I need you guys to do me a big favor though. I think it's 4 free things. Free things. Go like, comment, share, subscribe. Boom. It's free. I'm not charging you $1. I'm not charging you $5. I'm not charging you $10. I'm not charging you $20. I almost said 15, but I was like, wait, no, $15 do not exist. But still, this channel is not fake. This is more real than, I would say, a dollar bill. But like, this channel is not fake, like for reals. Ooh, train's coming. Oh my God. Let's get out of the way. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll do what you gotta do. And we'll see you guys next time. Wah! And this is what I wanted to see. Ugh. Not physically, but still. Oh my God. Gotta adjust the camera real quick to make you guys look good. That is it for today's video, guys. Go like, comment, share, subscribe. Go do what you gotta do, and we'll see you guys Monday. Peace. Woo! Guys, I think I have good news. It's not doing it anymore, so I don't have to buy a new engine or anything, which is a good thing. But see you guys on Monday. Woo! I wonder if right now it's gonna do it over here in the small water though. But that's weird. Why does it do it on water only? Yeah, you guys hear that? You guys definitely heard that. Why does it do that? Only on water. Like, I full throttle and it's fine. And then it steps on water and it doesn't. Watch. That was full throttle. Watch, I'm gonna make a U-turn. Full throttle it right here. Damn, okay, ready? Fine. Alright, ready? Full throttle. That's so weird. Let's go right here. Remember, it was working fine. Watch, water. See, and then it stops working. Like if it doesn't want to get wet. Alright, right here, right here. Full throttle. See, then it stops working. That's full throttle. Full throttle. See? I don't want to go through here.